Okay, so let's take a look at how you can sort sObjects in a list using Apex in Salesforce. So what we'll do is log into developer edition of Salesforce, then open our developer console. It should look something like this, and here in debug menu click on open execute anonymous window. If you have any existing code, you can remove that, and after that we will first create a list. So account, then square bracket acc new list account, and then once we created account, we have to only add some new accounts with names. So new account, and I'm gonna add some names from the game I play. So account.add new account. Okay, so I'm adding minimum 3 accounts here, as you can see, and I will output those accounts, and then I will also sort these accounts based on alphabet. So what we'll do is system.debug and first output as is, then we will sort this list. Next would be system.debug and then account. Okay, now let's execute. Okay, it should first output our trigger, and second it should output our variables. So as you can see, in first user debug it outputs this, and in second it will go with alphabetical order for the user account names. So you get the idea how to sort your Salesforce object in a list with Apex in Salesforce.